Hello and good day from Varta. The current vehicle is Proton X70 all-wheel drive. Currently we have replaced its starting battery and we have installed Varta. Varta D24 is plugged in 12 volt 60Ah battery, which comes as an original spare part, same bucket dimension, same specifications. The clamp bolts on its original position above the teeth of the battery. As you can see, the battery is now plugged in. Currently the scanner is plugged in. We are going to check all the fault codes and remove them after battery replacement. Thanks for watching Wajid Sons, Pakistan.